Did you know that alcohol can significantly contribute to weight gain through a variety of mechanisms? It's a verified fact. Alcohol, often overlooked, can stealthily pile on those extra pounds. And in our discussion today, we're going to dive deep into the specifics of how and this happens. Firstly, let's explore the high calorie content that alcohol carries. Each gram of alcohol packs around 7 calories, almost double the calorie content of protein or carbohydrates. This might not sound like a big deal on the surface, but let's consider your favorite cocktail, beer, or wine. A standard drink of wine, for example, can contain about 125 calories, while a pint of lager might have around 180 calories. Now imagine consuming multiple glasses in one sitting. Those calories can accumulate rapidly, leading to weight, especially if you're one to indulge in more than just a glass or two. Furthermore, alcohol's potential for excessive consumption cannot be ignored. The intoxicating effects of alcohol can impair judgment, leading to overdrinking. This, in turn, can result in the intake of far more calories than intended. It's important to remember that binge drinking not only increases your calorie intake, but also your risk of serious health problems. Lastly, let's touch on the crucial aspect of how alcohol influences metabolism and fat storage in the body. Alcohol can hinder the process of fat burning. You consume alcohol, your body prioritizes metabolizing the alcohol over burning fat and calories from food. This can cause an excess of calories and fats to be stored in the body, thereby contributing to weight gain. Moreover, alcohol can stimulate appetite, leading to overeating, which further compounds the weight gain issue. Next, we delve into a category often referred to as empty calories. This term is used to define calories that provide an abundance of energy, but sadly are devoid of any constructive nutritional value. They are like the counterfeit currency of the food world, full of promises but ultimately worthless for our bodies. In stark contrast, we have nutrient-dense foods. These foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, are like the power-packed treasure chests of nutrition. They offer a rich array of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients critical to our well-being. Now let's consider alcohol. While it might be a popular beverage choice for many, chemically, alcohol is an energy-dense compound, but it's an imposter in the world of nutrition. It woefully fails to deliver any of the essential vitamins, minerals, or other beneficial nutrients that our bodies require. Despite its caloric content, it is an unfortunate member of the empty calories club, providing only fleeting satisfaction and no lasting health benefits. Before we jump to the next section, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health videos. Now let's delve deeper into the appetite increase. Studies have found that alcohol plays a significant role in disrupting the body's hunger-regulating hormones, particularly leptin and ghrelin. Leptin, known as the satiety hormone, signals your body when it's full. Ghrelin, on the other hand, triggers feelings of hunger. Alcohol consumption can lower leptin levels and raise ghrelin levels, creating an imbalance. This disruption can lead to increased feelings of hunger, as your body is being misled by the raised ghrelin levels to believe it needs more food. Simultaneously, the decreased feelings of fullness, due to lower leptin levels, make it harder for your body to recognize when it's had enough to eat. Hence, you might find yourself reaching for extra food when you're having a drink. This isn't just limited to an extra slice of pizza or bag of chips. It can extend to more calorie-dense and less nutritious food options as well. The influence of alcohol can shift your dietary preferences, making it more likely for you to indulge in overeating and make less healthy choices. After all, alcohol is notorious for lowering inhibitions, which includes your dietary restraint. Delving deeper into the inhibition of fat burning, consider this. When alcohol diffuses into your bloodstream, your body immediately jumps into action: metabolize it. This metabolic process isn't just a simple activity, it's a priority. It's like a red alert that diverts your body's resources away from other tasks. This is because alcohol is a toxin, and the body knows it needs to eliminate it as soon as possible to prevent harm. This prioritization has a significant implication on other nutrients, particularly fat. It is as though your body has suddenly put a pause button on the fat-burning process. Consequently, this fat, which would have ordinarily been metabolized for energy, is left unprocessed. And here lies the kicker. Any dietary fat you consume while you are drinking alcohol doesn't just pass through. Instead, it could now become resident in your body, stored as body fat. This happens because the alcohol keeps your metabolic processes busy, leaving the dietary fat unattended to, which then ends up being stockpiled in the adipose tissue. So, in essence, during periods of alcohol consumption, your body could be more inclined to store fat than to burn it. Chronic alcohol consumption has the potential to create significant changes in metabolism. One of the primary metabolic disturbances it can lead to is insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a condition where the body's cells become unresponsive to insulin, which is a hormone that regulates the uptake of glucose into the cells. As a result, the body struggles to control its blood sugar levels, and this can lead to the development of type 2 diabetes. Another metabolic disturbance associated with chronic alcohol consumption is impaired glucose tolerance. This condition signifies that the body is unable to effectively utilize glucose from the bloodstream, leading to higher than normal blood glucose levels. Over time, this can also contribute to the development of diabetes and other metabolic diseases. Moreover, these metabolic changes invariably contribute to weight gain. As body struggles to efficiently metabolize glucose and insulin, it may start to store these as fat rather than using them up as energy. This excess fat storage can lead to an increase in body weight and ultimately obesity. Obesity, in turn, increases the risk of numerous health conditions. These include heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Furthermore, obesity can also exacerbate the severity of any existing health conditions, making them harder to manage and treat. Therefore, the metabolic disturbances caused by chronic alcohol consumption pose a significant risk to overall health and well-being. Are you aware that alcohol is classified as a diuretic? This means that it has a profound effect on your body's water balance. When you consume alcohol, it suppresses an antidiuretic hormone in your body that usually helps your kidneys reabsorb water. Instead of reabsorbing the water, your kidneys produce more urine, which leads to increased urination. This increased urine production can trigger dehydration. Dehydration is a state in which your body doesn't have enough water and other essential fluids to carry out its standard functions. This elevated level of dehydration can lead to an initial weight loss due to fluid loss after consuming alcohol. However, this is a temporary effect and not a healthy or sustainable way to lose weight. The dehydration caused by alcohol not only triggers weight, but also disrupts the metabolic processes. The metabolic process is a chemical reaction that happens in the cells of living organisms, including humans, to sustain life. Dehydration can disrupt these processes because a sufficient water level in the body is crucial for metabolic activities. Moreover, the dehydration resulting from alcohol consumption can also impair exercise performance. When you're dehydrated, your body lacks the necessary fluids to maintain normal body functions, including those needed for effective workouts. In the long run, this effect can make maintaining a healthy weight more challenging as your exercise performance and metabolic processes are hindered. Finally, let's delve deeper into the risk of alcohol-induced binges. When one consumes alcohol excessively, it inhibits the brain's ability to make rational decisions, impairing judgment significantly. This often results in poor food choices or binge eating episodes. Imagine the scene. It's midnight, you're tipsy, and suddenly, a greasy pizza or a bag of chips seems like a brilliant idea. The inhibitory signals that usually keep your eating habits in check are significantly weaker, leading to a loss of control over food intake. Moreover, when under the of alcohol, you might find yourself more likely to consume calorie-dense, high-fat foods. This happens because alcohol stimulates brain cells that control hunger, making you crave foods that are easy to consume and high in calories. While intoxicated, a piece of fried chicken or a slice of chocolate cake seems much more appealing than a salad. Now, let's discuss how alcohol contributes to weight gain. First of all, alcohol is packed with calories. A single gram of alcohol contains 7 calories, which almost equals the calorie content of fat. However, these calories provide no nutritional value, which is why they're often referred to as empty calories. Moreover, alcohol consumption increases your appetite. This occurs because alcohol triggers the release of certain hormones that regulate feelings of hunger. With an increased appetite, you're more likely to overeat, contributing to weight gain. Alcohol also inhibits your body's ability to burn fat. It slows down the metabolic process, hindering the breakdown and removal of fats from the body. Next, alcohol induces changes in metabolism. It reduces the number of calories your body burns for energy and diverts them into fat storage. Dehydration is also a significant effect of alcohol consumption. Dehydration can slow your metabolism further, making it even more challenging to lose those extra pounds. Lastly, alcohol binges can lead to an ongoing cycle of overeating and drinking. The more you drink, the less control you have over your eating habits, which leads to continuous weight gain. So the next time you're about having a drink, remember these points and make an informed decision. Your body will thank you for it.